Hello everyone, welcome to the complete showcase of our advanced FiveM mechanic system by Kartik Scripts. This system goes far beyond simple vehicle repairs. It includes customization, performance tuning, crafting systems, and realistic vehicle wear and tear. In this video, we will go through every major feature step by step and demonstrate how each system works in game. Let's begin. First, we have the Zone Creator. This feature allows mechanics or server administrators to create functional zones directly inside the game. You can place interaction points for crafting, repair areas, storage locations, or mechanic work zones. This makes garage setup extremely fast and flexible. Now we open the Management tablet and the Admin tablet. Each mechanic shop can have separate permissions. Shop owners can control which mechanics have access to specific features and tools. From the management system, you can also set custom pricing for services and upgrades. Certain features can be locked or unlocked depending on the mechanic's rank. This gives full control over how the mechanic business operates. Next is the crafting system. The system supports both personal stash crafting and business stash crafting. Mechanics can craft parts using materials from their personal stash or from the shared business storage. This allows multiple mechanics to work together in the same garage. Next is the Dyno System. The dyno allows mechanics to test the real performance of a vehicle. Once the car is placed on the dyno, the system measures power output and performance data. This is very useful when testing upgrades or tuning changes, because players can clearly see the difference before and after modifications. Now we move to the car lift. Vehicles can be placed on the lift so mechanics can work underneath them, creating a more realistic workshop environment. Next is the Job Garage. The Job Garage allows mechanics to store and access their work vehicles easily, helping to keep mechanic operations organized. Advanced Wear and Tear System. Now we demonstrate the Advanced Wear and Tear System. Vehicles gradually develop mechanical issues as they are driven. One example is wheel balancing. When the wheels are not balanced properly, the tires begin to move left and right while driving, making steering unstable. Another issue is suspension damage. When suspension components wear out, the vehicle begins to lean and loses proper stability. Brake issues can also occur, reducing braking efficiency and control. Clutch wear can cause the engine to stall or turn off when the vehicle tries to move under load. Steering lock issues may also occur, making it difficult for the driver to control the vehicle properly. And An alternator failure can cause electrical problems, resulting in engine instability and vehicle lights turning off. Additional components such as the oil filter, air filter, radiator, and other engine parts can also degrade over time. This system encourages regular maintenance and creates a more realistic mechanic experience. Now we move to the repair menu and wear system. Over time, vehicles develop wear and tear. Mechanics can inspect the vehicle and repair damaged components using the repair interface. Next, we look at repair kits. Repair kits allow mechanics or players to quickly fix certain vehicle components without using the full repair menu. This provides a faster way to handle minor vehicle damage. Now we take a look at the NPC Shop. The NPC Shop allows mechanics to purchase engine parts and other crafting materials based on the configured shop settings. This makes it easy to obtain components required for upgrades and repairs. Next are automated shops. Automated shops allow players to purchase and install certain upgrades even when no mechanic is available. These shops work directly through the system without requiring receipts or mechanic interaction. Another visual feature is glowing brakes. When installed, the brake discs glow during heavy braking, creating a dynamic visual effect. Vehicles can also be cleaned using a cleaning kit. Instead of instantly washing the vehicle, mechanics can clean the car manually using the cleaning item. The system also supports different tire kits, for example race tires and standard tires. Here we demonstrate the difference before and after installing upgraded tires. Anti-lag showcase. Now let's take a look at the anti-lag system. First, we demonstrate the vehicle without anti-lag enabled. The turbo loses boost when the driver lifts off the throttle, resulting in slower turbo response. Now we enable anti-lag. With anti-lag active, the turbo maintains boost pressure even when off throttle. This results in faster acceleration response and produces aggressive exhaust pops during driving. Now let's install Nitro. First, we apply Nitro using the required item or receipt. Here we demonstrate Nitro without any color effects. Next, we enable the color change feature so the Nitro boost produces colored visual effects during acceleration. Next is the manual transmission system. Some vehicles, such as the Futo, already come with manual transmission installed. However, automatic vehicles can also be converted. Here we take an automatic vehicle, install the manual transmission upgrade, and now the driver can manually shift gears. The system also includes gear sound profiles. Each gear shift produces realistic sound effects which make driving more immersive. Now we move to vehicle stancing. Stancing allows mechanics to adjust the height and position of the vehicle. This allows players to fine-tune how the car sits on the road and create a custom look. Next, we have the tuning chip. Using the tuning chip together with the tuning tablet, mechanics can modify vehicle performance settings and fine-tune the vehicle's behavior. Another powerful feature is the handling editor. This allows mechanics or administrators to modify vehicle handling values and test changes instantly. Next, we enable the traction control system. With TCS turned on, the vehicle maintains better grip and prevents wheel spin during acceleration. Without traction control, the vehicle struggles to maintain grip and can easily lose traction. Next is the engine control system, also known as ECS. Here we demonstrate the vehicle before installing ECS. Now we install the upgrade. After installation, the vehicle performs more efficiently and engine control improves. Mechanic Settings command. Next, we open the Mechanic Settings menu. This menu allows mechanics to toggle different user interface components on or off. You can enable or disable elements such as the Nitro indicator, vehicle mileage display, gear indicator, traction control system, indicator, and engine control system indicator. These UI components can also be repositioned on the screen to match the player's preferred layout. Vehicle configuration. Now we demonstrate the configuration system. Finally, we demonstrate the reworked billing system interface. The new billing UI allows mechanics to create invoices, select services, and charge players directly through an organized interface. This improves both speed and clarity when handling mechanic payments. You can now purchase the mechanic script on our website, kartikscripts.store. You can have a look at other scripts as well. Now you can get the mechanic script at a 20% discount till 18th March, 8 p.m. UTC. Use coupon code MECHANIC20 during checkout.